Sabi dito, women are not objects, women are not fantasies, women are not punchlines. In a world where some still think it is acceptable to reduce women to someone's desire, today is a reminder that a woman's worth has never been defined by how others look at her. Now, can you tell me who reduced themselves to an object, to a fantasy, and to a punchline? Again, who reduced themselves to an object, to a fantasy, and to a punchline? Again, who reduced themselves into a punchline, into an object, and into a fantasy? It's like what Dave Chappelle said. You are wearing a hooker's uniform. Yung probability na mapagkamalan kang hooker at maitrato ka as such is higher than wearing a decent clothes. Katulad ng pag ako, nag-uniform ako ng isang uniform ng pulis, yung tsansa na mapagkamalan akong pulis, mataas. Gets nyo ba? So stop objectifying yourself, stop making yourself as the punchline, and stop making yourself as the object of fantasies. Kung ayaw nyo ng full effect ng pagiging sexually attractive. Hindi pwedeng yung endorsement lang yung makuha nyo. Hindi pwedeng yung mga attention, yung gifts, yung mga naghahabol lang na lalaki yung makukuha nyo. There will come a time na kasama nyong makukuha pati yung mga cons or yung mga bagay na hindi maganda na kaakibat ng pagiging sexually attractive. Diba? Hirap kasi sa inyo, lahat na lang gusto nyo, pabor sa inyo. Without even thinking of the consequences. Without even thinking kung gaano kabigat yung responsibilidad na tatahakin nyo. Diba? Kaya nga maraming teenage pregnancy sa atin. Kasi marami sa atin yung ayaw limingon doon sa responsibilidad ng gagawin nila basta ang alam lang nila masarap. Basta ang alam ko lang may positive. Well, this is Pinoy Extreme. Have a good day.
This is Pinoy Extreme.